Take a cardboard of 24 cm by 36 cm and stick colorful paper on it. Take another cardboard. Measurements are available on screen. Make two parts of same measurements. Now glue the parts as shown in the video. Nice. And now we have to fix the back side. Apply glue on it and stick it as shown in the video. Now I am using thin cardboard, that is foldable cardboard. Measurements are on screen. Keep it ready as per measurement. Now fold all the lines and make flaps as shown. Now let's quickly glue it with hot glue gun and make the staircase ready. Your staircase is ready. Now stick chocolates on it. Your chocolate craft is ready. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.